If you want to maintain your privacy while using Hulu, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to manage your online visibility effectively. Step 1. Open Hulu app or website. Launch the Hulu application on your device or visit the Hulu website using your preferred web browser. Step 2. Sign into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your Hulu account. Make sure you are signed into the account you wish to modify. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile icon or name. Step 4. Find privacy settings. Within the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Privacy or Privacy Settings. Click on this option to access your privacy preferences. Step 5. Adjust online status. In the privacy settings, look for the option to hide your online status. Toggle the setting to disable visibility to others, ensuring that your viewing activity remains private. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Hulu, allowing you to enjoy your shows without others knowing what you're watching.